welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you are so well and having a great start to your new year. I'm finally back. So today I thought that we could just try out a new styling hair tool that I got given. It is the Visage 3-in-1 multifunction hair styler. So I have no clue where this came from. I'll ask them where it's from and if anyone's interested in it, because I actually haven't used it, so I don't know if it's any good or not. I'll link it down below. In this 3-in-1 multifunctional hair styling kit, you get this little brush. It's bad guy. It is their hair smoothing brush attachment, and from what I've seen in the box, it's apparently supposed to smooth hair and tame flyaways. I have never used an attachment like this before. You then also get the curling tong attachment. This is what the whole video is based around. I've seen so many people on TikTok and Instagram using these to create these gorgeous big bouncy blow dries. I want to see if I can recreate it with this. I've never done it before, so it's going to make a little first impression as well, but this is what I'm really excited about. You then also get a hair straightening attachment. Alright, let's get on to reviewing this bad boy, and if you're not already subscribed or you're new, make sure you subscribe. The reason I wanted to do this video was mainly to test out the curling tong. I've never used one before. Sorry, I just went in with my GHD heat protectant. This stuff, it smells so good, but the stuff is amazing. Just spray it all around, heat protectant. I often will spray each layer just because I have really thick hair. So I've been trying to turn this on. It has the, you have to kind of cover it to see the temperature, which is slightly annoying, but that's okay. How's everyone's New Year's been? Tell me down in the comments. What's everyone done? Are you joking, man? Are you joking? Come on. Oh, okay. Let's go 180 so I don't fry off my hair completely. So I'm going to be following Amy Bain's go-to bouncy blow dry esque routine that she does, and I'm going to take my first section. So in her video that she did, Amy Bain was showing that with the barrel, when you're curling it, you alternate curling towards your face and away from your face, so the curls look more voluptuous and more bouncy because they're going in different directions, so you've got more volume. I'm not entirely sure what size sections to take with this machine. Oh, that's really toasty. This first one we're going to turn away from our face. Yeah, I'm going to turn away from my face at the start. So, just going to turn this down. Straight in the top. Oh my god, this is really hot. You're going to take the round part of the barrel and just kind of run it over the top section a little bit. And then clamp, pull up, and we're going to go towards the face. And then pull down a little bit more. Clamp and curl, pull down a little bit more until you have all of the hair clamped. And we're just going to roll all the way up. I feel like that was an atrocious explanation. Alright, that's okay. We're going to try it again. Maybe I need to do small sections. Learning a new tool, honestly, is so hard, in my opinion. Turn. This tool is like torture. Okay, there we go. I didn't even explain it. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, maybe let's try the other side. This is not... I don't know if that's correct or not. Do people actually want to watch someone attempt how to do something? I don't know. So I've just taken my second section. I'm just gonna quickly watch her video again, just because I feel a little bit silly. Okay, so I want to create a bit of volume here. So she kind of went up and then away. No, this is so not easy to use. Away from the face. And clamp and curl. And turn a little bit and clamp. And it's gone. I've lost it. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm like had enough. My hair's gonna fry off, but it's gonna be fine. Comment down below if anyone actually understands this. That's not a hairdresser. Okay. I probably look so silly right now, but it's fine. I look insane. Okay, so I think it's like a motion of when you clamp it, you twist and like move the hair. For the last little section, gotta go a bit rogue. I got these thermal rollers for Christmas as well, and I thought maybe putting them into a roller will really give it that va-va-voom. Oh my god, it's so hot. And then curl up. Maybe if you do thicker sections. Oh, because then it might not fall through the little... Okay, I'm sorry that it's taken me this long to maybe work out that you need to do a thicker section. Maybe I was being a bit silly. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I'm going to put the roller through it. Go from the back. Turn this one in. Oh my god, this is probably so painful for... If you're a hairdresser, I really take my hat off to you for using this tool, because this is absolutely torturous. So it just looks so pretty. Oh, that went the same way. Let me go do the other side. The rollers have been in for a little while now. I'm just going to take them out. It's a really cute little barrel. That one's gorgeous too. I'm just going to use some K18 Biometric Hair Sense hair oil. This stuff is so good. And it smells incredible. Just kind of brings back the life. Is it perfect? No, absolutely not. It's atrocious, but it's so bouncy. It's voluptuous. Will we get better at it? Yes. Is it giving poodle at the bottom? Yes. But that's okay, because we're gonna get better. From the front it's really gorgeous, from the side, So my final review on this, look, it's not horrible, it just, down to here, is hot. I'm really sorry if you clicked on this video thinking it was gonna be really super informative. It was mainly just me having mental breakdown after mental breakdown, not knowing what I was doing. I hope you guys enjoyed me having mental breakdown, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Please leave a comment as well of any videos that you'd like to see. If you have any recommendations on this, please help a girl out. Please leave tips and tricks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.